Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. This tutorial will be learning another gele style which I'll be tying on my head. So guys, get your material ready so that we can learn this gele style together. You can tie it to anywhere at all you want to go. Is it party, anywhere, church or where? So guys, get your material ready and let's learn together. So I get my material and I divided it into two equal parts. After dividing it into two equal parts, I pleated the front. You can pleat as many as you want, depending on how you want your hair to show. Either you want to cover your hair at the middle or you want it to open. So my hair is halfway, not totally covered like that. So guys, after pleating the front, I cross it at the back and I brought the hand forward. So I pick one of the hand. Remember the division of the gele is 50-50, which is two equal parts. So I take the first part of it and I start pleating hair. See how I'm pleating it? I start pleating it like that. So guys, that is how I'm pleating it. Just concentrate, focus and watch how I pleated it. My explanation might not be thorough enough, so guys, just see how I do it, how I'm doing it. See how I'm pleating it down. So that is it guys. Watch and learn. You can do it yourself. You can do it, trust me, you can do it yourself. Just keep on trying, you're gonna get it yourself guys. So guys, keep watching. If you are seeing my face for the first time, this face you are looking at, you are seeing it for the first time, welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for always stopping by to watch my video. I love you. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me well and click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. If you are watching this video on Facebook, follow my page for more tutorials like this. So guys, I'm done with the pleating. So the other one, I'm rolling it, like I'm twisting it. After twisting, I'm placing it like you seen. Then I'll pin it down there. I'm pinning it down there. So I don't want to make the video unnecessarily long. That's why I speed it up. So if you didn't really get it first time, you can watch it again. And you're gonna get it. Trust me, guys. You can do this. Trust me. So I'm done with the gele already. I'm just trying to adjust and set the front to give me a good look. So that is what I'm doing there. So you can see that it's very fast. It's very fast. So you can do it guys. So I'm just giving it a finished touch. Yeah, I'm done.